morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today's date is 30th July 2021. That is 30/7/2021. We are going to start a new chapter from the EVS textbook, which is Chapter 6, Food Habits. The learning outcome of today's class or discussion is students will learn the importance of eating food. So we all eat food, right? When we are hungry, when we don't feel good, we eat food. But what is the importance? Why do we eat food? We are going to learn about that. So let's start the class with some pictures. As you can see on the screen, there are some pictures. The first picture is a plate of roti with sabji, which we eat. The next is the momos. Then we have the ice cream, and then we have the fruit salad, right? So these are some of the different food that we have. So how they are important to us when we eat it. So let's start from the book. First we're going to read it, then I'm going to explain it. We do many things every day. We go to school, play with friends, and do our homework. As you can see on the picture here in your book, see, every day we do so many things together, right? From morning till we go to the bed, we do so many things. You go to school right now, as it is closed, we attend the online class, right? Then you play with your friends, you play with your brothers and sisters, and you do your homework. So these are so many things related to school. You attend the online classes, or you go to school, you play with your brothers and sisters or your friends, you do your homework, your classwork is there. There are so many things, right? So you ultimately get tired after doing so much of hard work. So what is written here? It is written that we get tired and feel hungry. When we are hungry, we eat food. Other than the studying, going to school, playing, you also sometimes help your mom and dad at your home. Sometimes you talk with your grandparents, you watch TV. There's so many things, extra things you do. And after doing that, you feel tired, right? You get tired, and when you get tired, you feel that your tummy is empty and the tummy wants to have some food, right? So when we are hungry, what do? We call our mother, right? Mom, give me us food, right? We eat food. So as soon as we eat our food, what happens? Our hunger goes away. So that is why we eat food. Then let us come to the next part. We need food to do work. If we don't eat properly, we can fall sick. So what happens when we do not eat food? If you do not eat food for 1 day or 2 days, what will happen? You don't feel like energetic, right? You don't have energy to do any work. You feel tired, you feel like sleeping, and your tummy is always hungry. It always needs food. But if you do not eat food, you cannot play, you cannot do work, you cannot go to school, you cannot do anything, and you will fall sick. You will fall sick, you will have fever, your body will not work properly. So there are so many things that will happen to you. Therefore, every time we have to eat food so that we don't feel sick and we are always full on energy to do our work. The last part is the last sentence. Good health starts with good food. So if you eat only momos, french fries, pizza, then what will happen? Our body will not get all the nutrients or the other minerals that requires in our body. Therefore, we need to eat good food. Good food means you grow up properly, you have a sharp brain, you have a good health, right? Therefore, we need to good food. Which are good food? Eating vegetables, fruits, milk, egg, right? These things are good food. But if you eat pizza, chocolates, ice cream, chips every day, then these are not good food. These are unhealthy food and they will make you fall sick. You will have stomach pain, sometimes you will be vomiting. So it's better to avoid these foods and start with a good food for good health. So this is why the food is important for us. So what we have learned today, we have learned that we do so many activities, right? From since morning till night, we do so many activities like going to school. If it is not going to school, then we attend the classes, you do homework, you play, you help your mother and father, you talk with your grandparents. There are so many things. And after doing so many things, you feel tired and hungry. And what do? You eat food. But if you do not eat food, then it will be, then you will not be able to walk properly and you will fall sick. And that is why good food is always necessary for good health. So now let's come to page number 47 of your textbook. There is an exercise of fun time. So let's see here what is written. So this is the art of cooking. Your mother prepares meals for you every day. Every dish needs ingredients in right amount to be prepared. So who packs your tiffin? You get your lunch, you get your breakfast, you get your lunch, your dinner from your mother. Your mother cooks it, right? Now when she cooks it, lot of things goes into that particular dish to make it tasty and yummy, right? So suppose when she is making the Maggi, she will put the water, sometimes she will put an egg also, then masalas. So all these are what? These all are ingredients. Ingredients means these has to be added. Okay, these are part of the food that has to be added to make the dish more tasty and yummy. Now let us come to the exercise, which is match with correct answers. So what is written here? On the left hand side, the food, the dish is written there: chapati, dal, salad, curry and kheer. On the right hand side, the ingredients, what are the things that are required to make this? The first one is tomato, cucumber and onion. Now these are all raw. Tomato, cucumber and onion. Then the next one is wheat flour plus water, besan curd, water, salt. Then we have rice, milk, sugar, and the last one is pulses, salt and water. So these are some of the ingredients that are used to make the dishes that are on the left hand side. Okay. Now if you look at the chapati, what do we use? What do we use? We use wheat flour and water. The second one, here it is, the second one. We use the wheat flour, that is maida or atta, and water. For the dal we use the pulses. What are pulses? Pulses are the dal, then salt and then water. Then salad we use the tomato, cucumber and onion. For the curry, we use besan, curd, water and salt. And kheer. Everybody loves kheer, right? So for kheer, rice, milk, sugar. So these are the ingredients that are used for making the dishes that are on the left hand side. So this is how you will have to match it. So I have come to the end of the class. So please read the lesson thoroughly. Pronunciation are a must and spellings are very important. So please read the lessons. So I'm going to end my class here. Thank you.